Hello, this question says a homogeneous, simply supported prismatic beam of width B, depth D, and span L is subjected to a concentrated load of magnitude P. The load can be placed anywhere along the span of the beam. The maximum flexure stress developed in beam is. In this question, we find out the maximum flexure stress or maximum bending stress developed in beam. So, in this question, we given the cross section of beam is rectangular, which have a width B, capital B, and depth, capital D. The cross section of beam is symmetrical in nature, so the neutral axis it passes through the center of the cross section. It means this distance is d by 2. This is also d by 2. Firstly, we take the bending moment equation. M upon I equal to sigma upon y. Bending moment equation. From this equation, sigma equal to m y upon I, where sigma equal to flexure or bending stress, m equal to bending moment, I equal to moment of inertia of the cross section about neutral axis, and y equal to distance of the layer from neutral axis, distance of the layer from neutral axis. So, for maximum flexural stress is at that the layer which is farthest from the neutral axis. From this equation, sigma proportional to y. It means maximum flexural stress is taken when the y is maximum. For this cross section, y is maximum at the bottom and upper layer of the cross section, because which is farthest from the neutral axis. So, y equal to d by 2 for maximum flexural stress. Also from this equation, sigma proportional to m. So, maximum bending stress is developed when the bending moment is maximum. So, for a simply supported beam, bending moment is maximum for a concentrated load is acted at the middle of the span. The value of the load is P. The value of the load is P. So, we know that maximum bending moment for a simply supported beam in which concentrated load is acted at the middle of the span, the value of maximum bending moment M equal to PL upon 4. So, and I equal to, for a rectangular section, I equal to moment of inertia of the rectangular section about neutral axis. It means BD cube upon 12. Put the value of y, m and I in equation number 1 and find out value of sigma, that is maximum flexible stress. Sigma equal to m value of m is PL upon 4 y into d by 2 divided by I equal to BD cube upon 12. Solve this. 4 3 is 12. D से D cancel out. Sigma equal to 3PL upon BD square. It means 3 by 2 PL upon BD square. The maximum flexible stress for the cross section is 3 by 2 PL upon BD square. Thank you. Hope this answered your question.